So I am going to my new house now. People say that change is exciting, change is like fun, but change is scary as fuck. Because I have been staying in this house for so long time. I got so used to everything. I mean, I know it can be so chaotic at times, but I got so used to the whole environment. But I think this is a good time because recently the noise is going beyond the means of my control power. Today I'm gonna do the deposit, and after that she will give me the key. Like, you know, there's this whole range of emotions right now. I am not feeling anything, but at the same time I am feeling everything. I came to Bangalore with just one suitcase. Now I have like a whole house and it's surreal. Like, you don't know, you gather so many things. I just looked around. I was booking the service from No Broker and I was like, whoa, I got a lot of stuff, you know. Let's go. So hard to find a house, but the best part is that I was thinking of buying a cupboard. लेकिन यहाँ पे दो cupboards है, so that is a good thing. When it comes to natural light, kitchen और उसमें इतना नहीं होता है. I mean, let me show you. It's less. कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. This is my first day. I got up like 2 hours back and took bath. I have lots and lots of things to do. Officially, I have moved. Let me show you the condition. It's upside down. It's too bad. आज का काम है, बहुत काम है. So I am not concentrating on a lot of things now क्योंकि एक साथ बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है and it's getting overwhelmed because I stay alone and that is the reason why it kind of get messy. सब कुछ ऐसे ही रख दिया जहाँ तहाँ और can you see the mess? इतना ज़्यादा काम है, इतना ज़्यादा. मैं मॉर्निंग से कर रही हूँ लेकिन तब भी बहुत ज़्यादा काम है. और उसके बाद यहाँ पे कपड़ जाएगा, ये कपड़ और यहाँ पे कपड़ जाएगा. आई विल ट्रांसफॉर्म इट, लाइक आई विल पुट वॉलपेपर. थोड़ा बहुत मुझे डिज़ाइन करना है. ये आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ पुटिंग ग्रीन इन कलर ये रूम पे क्योंकि इसका बाथरूम ग्रीन है. सो इट्स लाइक यू नो द ग्रीन वर्ल्ड. और मुझे काफ़ी दिन से आई वॉन्टेड अ ग्रीन रूम. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड 2-3 वॉलपेपर और बाकी पहले से ही है. यहाँ पे एक कपड़ जाएगा, दैट आई विल शो यू. और फिर ये साइड में टेबल होगा. इट्स मैसी, इट्स टू मैसी. और फिर दिस इज द बाथरूम एंड मैं वहाँ पे आई वांट टू यूज द स्पेस to here I will put the washing machine on the top. Carrier thing is already there washing machine का, so I will put on top. This is where I am gonna take bath क्योंकि ये थोड़ा बड़ा है as compared to this. पहले मैंने सोचा था यहाँ पे I will put the washing machine, but this toilet I will use, right? Need some space also. ये वाला bathroom बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है. It's bedroom. I have not cleared anything. I haven't cleaned. This is the living room का condition. ये वाला कपड़ जाएगा वहाँ पे. एंड अभी किचन का Welcome to the horror story part 4. Part 1 कहाँ गया? So this is the mess. This is the mess. I want to make it white, so white wallpaper order किया है. Hi, welcome to my channel. ऐसे बैठ रही हूँ without makeup, without doing, because I'm feeling so hopeless. This room I'm thinking of like making it brown because brown soothes your mind apparently, and plus I love the shades of brown.